Did you know that it's possible to autofill hundreds or thousands of rows at once in Excel? In this short video, I'm going to show you how to exactly do it. Let's get started. People are doing it wrong. They are writing number 1 in the first cell and the number 2 into the second cell. And then drag it all the way down until they reach desired number of rows. But I will show you a better way to do so. Firstly, write let's say number 1 and then go to Home tab and choose Fill option. This function will simply continue a series or pattern into neighboring cells in chosen direction. Now click on Series option. As you can see, here we can set some rules that will apply on our series. So we will choose series in columns, because we want to fill column C with numbers. Then as type leave linear type because we just want to increase number by 1 every time, and in step value there will be number 1. And as the last thing here, the stop value means on which number it should stop autofill. Let's say we want 800. Now to check whether everything works properly, press Ctrl and down arrow. And as you can see, we are on the last 800th row. And this is everything. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.